Good day everyone, today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to connect a through router using DHCP. So first we need to put our router, then a switch next to it, a two switch actually, under the first switch. Then then a IP phone next to the two switch, here and here. Okay, and then I'll put a laptop in between those two IP phone. And then after that, I'm going to put a 3PC PT over the router, then another two laptop next to the PC. Okay, right here under the switch and under the IP phone. Next is we are going to connect the IP phone to the switch using the fast internet and the switch to the router using also a fast internet. After that, I'm going to connect the laptop on the switch using also the fast internet and also the PC to the switch using also the fast internet. And then I'll connect the PC the switch into the switch, a crossover connection using also a fast internet. I will do it three times. Okay, that's two using fast internet. Then the last one using also the fast internet connect. And after that, I'm going to connect the IP phone on the switch and also the PC to the switch and so on and so forth. Then PC using also the fast internet. Okay, the laptop. Okay, fast internet. The other laptop and the PC, the last one, using also the fast internet. Mhm. Then after that, I'm going to drag this and connect it into the IP phone. Mhm. Should also do it this IP phone the same. Yep, that's right. And then after that, okay, after that, I'm going now to put the codes in the router. After clicking the router, go to CLI. Of course, before you click the router, you should wait for the wires to turn green before going to the router and before typing the codes. So first, enter, type no, then enter, then type EN or enable. Yeah, type enable, then enter, type config T, yes, and then enter, type int f 0 slash 0, then enter, then type no shot. Okay, then no shot. After that, enter two times. Then type the IP address, which is the 10.0.0.1. That's the IP address that we're going to use. Okay. Space, after typing the IP address, space 255.0.0.0. After that, enter, type exit, and then after tapping exit, of course, you have to do the enter. After the enter, should type IP DHCP pull phone, and then after that, enter network 10.0.0.1. That's the network that we are going to use. And then space type 255.0.0.0. enter, type default slash router, dash router, type 10.0.0.1. After that, enter, type option 150 IP space 10.0.0.1. That's 20.1. And then enter. Type exit, enter, then type telephony dash service and enter, then max dash IP phone ephone space 5, then enter, then type max dash dn space 5, then enter, type IP source dash address, which is the address that we're going to use is 10.0.0.0.1. That's the IP address that you're going to use, or the source address rather. And then, of course, after typing the 10.0.0.0.01 space port, then type 2000. Enter. And then we're going to type auto assign. Auto assign for the 6. After that, enter. And then type ephone dash. After that, type auto assign 1 to 5. Then type exit. And then type enter. Yeah, that's the time nga ipot na namang ephone dash dn space 1. After that, you should press the enter 2 times. Then after that, type the number 0001. After that, enter. Type ephone dash dn space 2. After that, press the enter again. Enter again. Type number 0002. That's 30. Then enter. And then after entering, you can close the router. Next, go to switch. Go to the CLI. Then enter. Type enable or en. Enter, type config t. And then after typing config t, just press the enter. Type the int range fo slash 10/1 minus dash space dash 24. Then enter. Type switch space voice. Space, yeah. Mode access, enter, then switch space. Okay. I'm sorry, it's the switch port voice. Okay, space VLAN 1. After that, you're gonna close it. Then proceed to the other switch and do the same thing. Do the exact same thing na itong gibuhat kanina sa other switch. Config, the int range F0 slash 1 minus 24. Do the same codes, type the same codes nga itong gitype ganina sa other switch. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, switch port, voice, VLAN, VLAN 1. Excuse me. Then enter, and of course close it. And then click the IP phone. Then go to GUI. Let's check if the phone is working. And then if the phone is not working, do a double check. Do a double check. After doing it, after doing a little bit of double check, let's test the phone. After ringing, if the phone rings, we can confirm that the two IP phones is connected because the code is completed. Okay, after that, go to laptop, click the scope, the IP configuration, and choose the DHCP. Just wait for the IP address to pop. Okay, do the same thing with the PC and other laptops and PC. Okay, just click this tab, IP configuration, and choose DHCP. Okay, here, DHCP, wait, and close. After popping the IP address, I'm gonna close it. Or minimize it pala, not close it. Just minimize it. Okay, after doing that, you can minimize it. Mhm. After that, you should put a router that will serve as the main router for the system. It will serve as the main router. On the right side of this tutorial, I'm going to put the same system in the left side into the right side, but in reverse position. As you can see, the IP phone is on the right side while the router is on the left side. So we'll do it on the reverse. The left side, the iPhone is in the left side, but on the right side, the IP phone is on the right side. Okay. Okay. Well, in the right side of our system, we are going to use the same connection, which is the fast internet connection and connecting the things like the router, the switch, and the IP phone. You use the same codes that we did use on the left side and the right side. Okay, so you can see the PC in the right side is on the left side, and the left side, the PC is on the right side. Okay, but if you just look it, if tanaw siya tarong, pakita ng mga same jud siya siya kalahian aside from the positioning of the IP phones and the laptops and the switch. But of course, we are going to use the fast internet from IP phone to switch and switch to router. Then we're going to connect the PC and the laptop to the first switch, and so on and so forth. Okay. Mm-hmm. And connect. The same thing in the left side. We are going to wait until the wire turns into green. After that, we can proceed now into doing the codes. Okay, as you can see, crossover connection using fast internet in this two switch. Okay. Mm-hmm. Just connect it. Okay, connect. Fast internet. Okay. Here, the difference, as you can see, we're going to connect it 4 times. On the left side, we did connect it 3 times. Now on the right side, we're going to use 4 crossover connections using fast internet. The right side. So we're going to connect the PC on the switch, the iPhone, IP phone on the switch, the PC, PT, and the switch. Just wait for the wire to turn green. Okay, fast internet. As you can see, it turned green. And lastly, the laptop, the fast internet connection to the switch. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, go to the router too. Go to the CLI, and we can now start coding. In this portion, the codes that we did use on the other router, on the left side, the other router, is the same thing atong gamiton diri sa router 2 sa right side. So, same ra gid siya gapon. Okay. Type no, then enter, type int f0 slash 0, then no shot, enter, enter. And here in the IP address, we are going to use 10.0.0.1 and then 255.0.0.0.1. I know, just point 0. Then exit, then after enter, and then IP address, DHCP, then pull phone, then enter. Just the same code sa itong gigamit ganina guys sa other router ganina. Okay, the network is 10.0.0.0.1, then 255.0.0.1. Then enter the default dash router, then 10.0.0.1, then enter option 150. Okay, IP is 10.0.0.1. Then enter, then tap exit, then enter, then telephony dash service. Okay, slash dash service, then enter, then max ephone space 5, enter, then max dash dn 5, then enter the IP, enter, then type IP source dash address. The address is still the same, 10.0.0.1. It's still the same codes yung atong gigamit on the left side and the right side. So just copy kung unsa man yung gibutang sa left side ng router into the right side router. Para dili siya malibog or dili malibog. No? So para mas madali nimo siya, di ka maglibog, no? Typing, like memorizing those, you can just take it, like, i-take note lang nimo siya, and then para mas dali na lang nimo siya, i-type na lang nimo siya largo. Para walay sayop. And then tap exit, enter, then ephone dash dn, and space 1, ay 3, in 3. Yeah. Then enter, the number 0003. Here we use the ephone DN3. On the other we use 1, then enter 2 times, then we use 003 as the number. And the other router we use 0001. No? And after that, you may close it, go to the switch, go to CUI. Okay. Mm-hmm. Oh, it's happening. Okay. Okay. So back to the switch. We're going to type. Of course, the same thing lang gapon siya sa left side. Just click the switch, go to the CLI, and then enter. Type EN or enable. Then enter. Then config T. Yeah. And then enter. Type int range of 0/1 space dash 24. then enter, types switch mode, space access, then enter, then switch port space voice space, sorry, voice VLAN 1. Okay, and after that close, then go to switch 3 or the switch na over nasa ubos sa other switch. Then do the same thing. Actually, config T, enter, int range F0/1/24, and then switch mode space access, enter. Then switch, enter, and switch mode voice VLAN space 1. Then enter. Then close it or minimize it. Go to the IP phone. Let's do the same thing kanina itong gibuhat. Drag this thing, then put it in a specific area sa IP phone. Same gapon sa ikaduhang IP phone. Connect it. Okay, after connecting, as you can see, the wire turns green. Then go to GUI. Let's do a quick check if the phone is working. So, sama ganina, if dili siya mag-work gapon, do a double check in the router if the codes are correct. Then wait a few minutes. No, dili gyapon siya mag-work, do a double check if the phone is registered. After that, try again. After trying again, or just wait a couple of minutes, yes, check the codes. After checking the codes, then let's do a quick check again. But after doing a quick check, before doing a quick check, let's wait a few minutes. You know, do a quick check on the codes, and then after that, you know, after waiting, you can actually now test the phone if it's working. After dialing the number, let's check if the other phone rings. Okay. Okay, so you can see. Okay. Okay, let's do it again. Let's try. Okay. Try it. Let's try it. Okay. Okay, nagana naman siya. Rings siya. Okay, so that means that the codes is completed because successful ang phones. So, pareha po naman buhaton na to. Do the same thing actually sa gibuhat to ganina. Nga gibuhat sa PC and sa laptop, no? Just click the PC, choose desktop IP configuration, and then DHCP. Yeah, desktop IP configuration. Choose DHCP. Okay, after that, the other one, desktop IP address, DHCP. Okay, the laptop, and so on and so forth. Okay. Okay, you can now minimize it. Okay, so after that, of course, we are going to put a PC route or router PT on top of them that will serve as the main router of the system. So click the router one, excuse me, and let's type a code. Okay, so type here in the router, the codes in the router is different from the router nga nasa system and diha. So this one, it will serve as the main router of that system. And later on, ang router 1, i-connect na to sa router 2. So, type en, then enter, type, no, first type no, then en, after that conf t, and then config t, then enter, then host router will enter int f 0/0. After that, enter. Then the IP address, type IP address or IP add here is we're going to use 192.168.1.1. Okay. Then space, 255.255.255. It's actually tulo siya kakuan, 255. And then lastly, 0. After that, enter, type no shot, enter, type no shot, type, enter, type exit, yes, then enter, type IP, DHCP, kay ato magipilian DHCP diri, and sa mga laptops, then pool 100. We're going to use 100. And then after that, press the enter, type net 192.168.1, yeah, point 0. Then space, then we're going to use 255.255.255.0. And then enter, type default 192.168.1.1. It's just the same itong gigamit there as a net sa babaw niya. So we're just going to use 192.168.1.1. Pero nakalahi niya sa default kay 1 siya and then sa net kay 0 siya. Then enter, type exit. After typing the default, you may now type exit. Then enter. After doing it, you can now close it. Yes, okay. Next is we're going to type the codes in the router 2 in the right system. No? Same codes gapon atong gamiton dere, but the different is na siya ma-add. So in the IP address nga atong gamiton dere, on the left side nagamit tag 2.1, ay instead of using 1.1, magamit tag 2.1 because it's another router. No? Same with the net, magamit tag 2.0 instead of 1.0. Same gyapon siya sa default nga router, magamit tag 2.1 instead of 1.1. No? Kasi different, as you can see, here's IP address, magamit tag 192.168.2.1, then 255.255.255.0. Okay. Then type the new code. After that, after typing the codes nga gisulti kanina and the same codes, except atong gigamit na ako kanina. Okay, sa PCAS nagamit ang 1.1, dali magamit ang 2.1, 2.1, or 1.0 sa PCAS, this at 2.0 na. Kasi different router na sa, no? So in the net, as you can see sa net, itong gigamit 192.168.2.0, then 255.255.255.0. That's because it's another router for another system. Then enter, and then default dash router. Okay. 192.168.2.1. As you can see. Excuse me. Then tap exit. Then enter. Then here, dali, sama sa ingon dyan niya, natin new codes ng i-add dali sa mga router. No? So enter. Then int serial 2/0. Then enter. IP add 192.168.1.1. And there is a new code sa gigamit. We did use the 1.1 and the 2.1 is the 1.1. Okay, and the 255. Okay, 255.255. So dire na part magamit og 1.1. So dire na part dito magamit og 2.1. Okay, so 255, then 2.55, then 2.55.0, 0.255.255.0. Then enter. And then clock rate. There's a clock rate. We're going to use here 46,000. No, 46,000. The clock rate ka na gamiton 3. Pero if ever man 64, 46,000, okay na siya actually. As long as magana lang ang codes and magana lang ang function nga itong you need aning system, dili siya mag-matter. as long as magana lang siya. Okay, so enter. After typing the clock rate, enter. No, then we're going to type no shot. Yep, no shot. Then enter. Then we type the clock rate. Here, ni gamatag 64,000. As I've said, ganina, magatag 64,000 or 46,000 there as mabaw. Masaypan siya. It's okay kay as long as magana lang siya, it won't affect the function sa system. It's fine. Then after typing the 64,000, the clock rate, the 64,000, enter, and then type the no shot. And then after that, exit. Okay, no shot, then enter, exit. Then do ka exit itong gamiton there. And after doing it, the console will appear. As you can see, ma-appear ang console after na. Ito siya i-minimize. Okay, or should I say close it? After that, we can now connect the router, the other router to other router system. Now here, kanang click na tong router 2, then i-type na to ang codes. Masya codes gapon. So type int serial 2/0 enter. Then in the IP address, magamit ta og type IP address or IP address. Magamit ta og 192.168.2.1. Here mo mag 2.1 there's a router sa left na to nga system. As you can see, 2.1 and then space 255.255.255.0 and then press the enter, and then after typing the IP address niya mo type tag balik og clock rate, no, which is 64,000, no, 64,000 atong clock rate nga gamiton dere. And here 64,000 siya atong gamiton. And then cannot type enter. And then after that, after tapping or pressing the enter, can type the no shot, then enter, tap exit, then enter, then exit. Then after doing it, enter, then pwede na siya minimize. No? So okay, I'll just type the clock rate. After the clock rate, as I've said, after sa clock rate, no, enter na mo siya, then tap no shot. After na enter na sad, then tap exit. No, then enter sad ka, then tap exit na sad. And then close then, or let's just say minimize after that. Okay, i-chat siya, check. Okay na. And then okay na siya. And then to test if nigana nga tong code sa gigamit sa router 2 and sa router 3, as you can see, now to do a test, ato siya mag-deliver tag message from the laptop there sa left side, and ato siyang i-transfer sa other side sa kuan. If ma-receive niya or kanya receive, and that's it, successful lang ato ang codes, and successful lang ato ang connecting or connection. Nagibuhat dira. So, okay. Okay, let's do it. Let's try to send the message if ma-send ba siya.